Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change voice speed in ElevenLabs. So at first guys, you will need to go with the ElevenLabs.io website and then just sign into your account. So after that you will need just to go with the text to speech option that's located under the playground section on the left hand menu. Click it just like so, and here you will need to select a voice, and to do that go with the voice option on the left hand, click that one and just type on the search bar the type of the voice that you want to have. So for example, I will go with Emma, and then just enter your text right here and adjust the speech speed. So here you can find it just right here. You can see speed, stability, similarity, and style exaggeration. Okay, so if you make it lower, the AI will read more slowly. That's good for clarity and narration. If you let it on the normal or the default, that's the standard reading speed. And if you want it faster, the AI reads quickly then, and that's suitable for energetic speech. So just move the slider or enter a value until you reach the desired speed. And after you finish, just go with generate speech from here and then go with download. Okay, it's right here, download latest. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.